clap.
Hey, hey! 5 little speckled frogs on a sunny green log, wiggling their toes in the splashy pond fog. They blinked their eyes and went ribbit, ribbit, roo, waiting for a fun thing to do. Jump, jump, splash and hop, spin around and never stop, laughing loud the whole day long, froggy friends singing a happy song. 4 little speckled frogs croaking a tune, dancing together by the silver moon. One took a leap with a giggle and grin, right into the water with a splishy spin. Jump, jump, splash and hop, spin around and never stop, laughing loud the whole day long, froggy friends singing a happy song. 3 little speckled frogs clapping their feet, making funny rhythms to a bubbly beat. One hopped away with a joyful shout, making circles all about.
2 little speckled frogs bouncing with cheer, calling their friends, come over here. One jumped high and dove right in, leaving one with a happy grin.
1 little speckled frog sitting alone, singing a song in a soft croaky tone. Then splash, friends popped up one by one, now the froggy party's just begun.
Jump, jump, splash and hop, round and round we never stop,